Welcome to our new series, Indian Meal Prep, where we're sharing recipes which are high protein, Indian vegetarian recipes that actually taste good. Today we're going to share with you how to make our Mattar Paneer, which has 32 grams of protein per serving. To start off with, you're going to get a large pan and add some oil spray to this. To this we're going to add 450 grams of Apetina Paneer, which we've chopped into large cubes. You're going to let this pan fry for a few minutes before flipping it over, just so it gets some colour on both sides. Once your paneer is done, we're going to place the paneer in a large bowl of warm water and leave this there for about 15 to 20 minutes. This helps the paneer stay soft. Whilst the paneer is in the water, we're going to start making the base for our Mattar Paneer. So in the large pan, you're going to add some oil spray along with 2 bay leaves, 3 cardamom pods, 1 stick of cinnamon. Leave this to saute for a few minutes before adding 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. You might need the lid for the pan at this point because the ginger paste can spit in it. Leave that to saute for a few minutes, and once that's done, we're going to add 2 tins of chopped tomatoes which we've blended along with 200 ml of water. Adding the right spices and salt is important in getting the best flavour from this Mattar Paneer. So we've gone in with salt, chilli powder, ground cumin and garam masala. Give that all a really good mix and then leave this to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once that's simmered, you can drain the paneer and then add the paneer that's been soaking in the water. Along with this, we're going to add 300 grams of frozen peas. Again, give that all a really good mix and then leave it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't forget, if you like recipes like this and you want more high protein Indian vegetarian recipes, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. After about 15 minutes, we're also going to add 3 tablespoons of single cream along with 15 grams of butter. Add some more flavour to our Mattar Paneer. We're also going to go in with a small bunch of chopped coriander. Again, mix all of that really well and leave to simmer for another 10 minutes. And there you have it, a high protein Mattar Paneer that's perfect for meal prep. This has 32 grams of protein per serving and can have more if you pair it with our high protein flatbreads. You'll definitely want to try this recipe.